cable car, one big Buddha and a long wise path. We're ticking off Hong Kong's 10 best easy walks right here on Drone and Phone. Well, welcome to another episode of our Easy Walks. We're going up there today. Muloy, how are you feeling?
I'm excited. This is my first cable car ride.
Okay, it's going to be about a 6.5 kilometre, mainly downhill, nice and easy from one of the iconic Lantau landmarks. Right, let's go. Despite its reputation as a bustling metropolis, Hong Kong offers a wide choice of scenic hiking trails that traverse mountains, coastal cliffs and tranquil islands, providing an unexpected but enjoyable way to explore the city's natural beauty. In this series, we've chosen 10 easy hikes that get you around the region without too much stress on the body. Muloy, who is relatively new to Hong Kong and hiking, is our guinea pig. Starting at the Tung Chung MTR, we walk across to the cable car, buy our tickets and start the 25-minute ride up to Nong Ping 360. On a clear day, the journey affords some great views over Lantau Island, the airport and the Macau-Zhuhai bridge. Alight at the top and make your way through the slightly strange village of Nong Ping to the Po Lin Monastery. The monastery dates back to 1906 and houses the Hall of 10,000 Buddhas. It also has a great vegetarian restaurant. From there, cross over to the big Buddha statue.
That's the great statue of the Buddha here in Hong Kong. I'll be praying for longevity, stability, opportunity, and prosperity. Okay, thank you. Bye.
The Tian Tan Buddha stands 34 meters high. If you can make it up the 268 steps to the base of the Buddha, you'll find a small museum and 6 small bronze statues offering the 6 devas around the base.
I just finished visiting the statue of the great Buddha, and now I'm here at the wisdom path, contemplating, meditating and praying for stability, opportunity, longevity and prosperity. Okay, thank you. Bye.
The wisdom path depicts the Hearth Sutra through calligraphy carved into large wooden pillars. It's a little less crowded than the main village and wraps up the tourist part of this hike. From here, look for the signposts to the Shek Pik Country Trail that winds its way slowly down to the Shek Pik Reservoir. Well, the trail has just opened up. It's been undercover most of the way so far, but we get a fantastic look at where we're going. That's the Shek Pik Reservoir right down there. That's where we're going. We'll end up just on the corner of it round this side. And so we're going to be following the side of this mountain all the way around, slowly making our way down with these occasional fantastic panoramic views opening up on the way. Really quite spectacular. The path is well maintained and suits hikers who want to avoid any off-trail sections. So this part of the trail is shaded. It's very easy going, nice downhill for a gentle stroll, but it's quite long. I can see we've still got a fair way to go. We're now at 5 kilometers from the cable car, though bear in mind that this trail does not officially start until you get to the wisdom path.
This path is perfect for when you're with friends because there's nothing much to see. Or you'll have to bring your favorite earphones and an exciting playlist. Yeah. Or hear music from your favorite artist, like I can buy myself flowers. I can buy myself friends. What?
This might not be the most challenging hike, but it's a great one for the family or to get you walking. With much of the trail being in shade, it's also one that can be done in the summer. Okay, we are here, Muloy, at the end. How has the hike been for you?
is an easy hike. So easy, it's almost boring.
Yeah, it did get a little bit boring in times. We haven't actually quite reached the Shek Pik Reservoir. We're going to go on to this catchwater here and work our way down. We've done so far about 8 kilometers. I think we might have done a little bit after that.
That's got a distance, huh?
Yeah, so it's a reasonable distance, but it's a fun hike, I think, if you want something nice and easy.
Yeah.
Not too many views, but a few as you come down. Now, if you're finding this show for the first time, you're going to find all of our information on our website at droneandphone.com, and also on our YouTube channel. Just search Drone and Phone on YouTube. For now, my name's DJ
Muloy.
and this
is
Drone and Phone.